Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have another haul. Like literally, you guys might think that all I do is shop all day, but I really don't. I feel like these are the videos that you guys like to watch the most. So I got a couple stuff for Aaliyah from Target. I went through her clothes and I had to get rid of some stuff from her, and she needed some socks and stuff. So that's what I have in this Target purchase. I did buy some things for myself that I needed, which I was trying to find a mirror, but I couldn't find one. And I also did my makeup today, if you guys can see. I haven't done my makeup in like a month. I'm also wearing these lashes from Celestial Beauty. Shop celestialbeauty.com. I ordered some lashes from her. I actually got 2 pair. This is the second one that I got. Obviously the first ones I have on right now. These are absolutely adorable. Like, I love lashes, but they're like extremely dramatic, and I think this one, I've been having troubles with them all day just because like I'm not used to the band. So this one might be off right here in the inner corner, and this one been poking my eye the whole entire time. But other than that, they're absolutely beautiful. So I leave all her information down below. So I ordered that from her. I like supporting small business owners, you know what I mean? Her lashes are absolutely amazing. They're beautiful, and she also does lash extensions out there in California. So if you guys are interested in her information, I'll leave it down below because she's absolutely amazing. I like her. I follow her. She's beautiful. You know, she's doing her own thing, which I support, you know what I mean? I like supporting anybody that wants to have their own business by themselves and want to work for themselves instead of working for a big corporation or working for somebody. That's what I'm trying to do. So besides that, let's just jump right in before I start talking about the big announcement that I have for you guys. Let's start with the things that I got for myself, because you know, I needed to get some clothing for myself, but I think I'm going to do an order online just because I don't have a lot for myself, because I got rid of a lot of stuff and now I don't have anything. But I obviously think about my daughter before I think about myself. I was at Five Below looking for a mirror and I couldn't find one, and I walked out with a brush. So this is the Cheek Pro powder. I wanted the other small powder. Like, they had another small one. They had a tester and I tested it and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so soft. Also, some of my brushes are actually from Real Techniques too. Most of my brushes are from Real Techniques. I have a couple brushes from Elf and stuff, and this is absolutely amazing. I mean, the hair looks like it's gonna come off, if you guys can see. But you get what you pay for when it comes to brushes. Absolutely. Like, you see, like that comes off. And I bet you if you wash it, some of the hairs are gonna come off. But it feels great for a big powder brush. Like, you know how much you will pay for this brush? We'll tell her something like that. You would pay a lot more money for a high-end brush like this. And this is only $4. Literally $4. And I actually I did a get ready with me, so this look will be up pretty soon. I used the Untitled buffing brush. It's amazing. I love it. And I also used the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. It's really, really good. It hasn't even budged underneath my eyes, and I haven't been doing much. I just went to the store and that's it. I came back home. I just don't do a lot for me to wear makeup all the single time, so this is why I don't. I thought this was great for $4. I was like, yes, look great. I cannot wait to try it out. It feels so soft. The handle is very like luxurious. It looks like you bought it at a fancy store, but you actually didn't, you know what I mean? So yeah, Five Below all the way. If you guys have a Five Below wherever you are, definitely check out their brushes, because most of them were sold out except the foundation brushes, which I already have one, so I don't need that many. Okay, so onto the stuff from Target. I got 2 bags this time, you guys. It's terrible. Okay, let me start off with the things that I got for myself, because this bag is for my daughter. So first thing I needed was, like, you know, essential things that women need. Pantyliners, you know, this is just, you know, TMI, is gross, you know, that time of the month. I knew I was running low on toothpaste, so I had to get my favorite one. I get asked a lot how I keep my teeth very white and it's because of this. This is the one that I use all the time. This is the Colgate Optic White Advance. It deeply whitens for up to 4 shades. So they came out with a charcoal one, which the charcoal is supposed to keep your teeth very white also, but I went with this one this time. I was like, never mind, I'm not gonna use that. I don't know, like, I don't know about black toothpaste. I don't know, something about that. It's just no. Yeah, this is all I got for myself. And now into clothing. So we are getting, I mean, I feel like summer's like slowly slipping away, going out, you know. My daughter needed some stuff. She needed socks, and I also, whenever I buy for her, I always get her dresses and stuff like that, and like shorts and stuff. And I saw some things for the fall season that she is going to love. So first item, if you have a toddler, let me know where you shop at, because every piece of clothing that I have ever since he was born is from Target. Like everything from this brand is called Cat and Jack. Everything. I even follow them on Instagram, literally. I got this cute, beautiful dress. She's already a 5T, so after this, I think she's gonna be a size 1. I'm not sure. I do not know what after this she's gonna be, because some of 5T don't fit her very nicely. Sometimes some clothing fit her very tight, but she is tall and slim, and I know this is gonna fit her perfectly. So this is just a dress, and she is just a dress girl. I love the way she is, because growing up I was not like that. I was more like a tomboy, and I love how she loves to wear dresses. So I think this jean striped shirt, blue white shirt with the jean skirt, I think this is absolutely beautiful. And it had the mesh in the bottom. Obviously you have to wear these with shorts, which we do all the time, and I love this because I feel like she can wear this with like tight leggings and a jacket over it, or a sweater plus a jacket. It gets really cold out here. Even though we live in the desert, it gets really cold, you guys. It gets really cold. I decided to get this one. She's gonna be so excited. I need to watch these. Let me know if you wash the clothes before you wear them, because I'm that way. I've always been that way. Next thing I got was some biker shorts. She looks so good in biker shorts, let me tell you. I personally don't like them on myself. I've tried them. I do not look the cutest in biker shorts. It's just not cute. It doesn't fit some people. But my daughter, she looks absolutely gorgeous. So I got her this pair. The other pair that I'm about to show you guys, she has already. This is just a regular gray Cat and Jack biker short. 5T also. These were $4. I think this one was, Cat and Jack can be pretty expensive. Well, this was $12.99, which is not bad. I feel like it lasts me for a long time, and whenever she grows out of it, I actually give it away to people. I actually give it away to her dad for her sisters, or I give it away to a close friend of mine. She has a daughter too. Well, actually she's younger than Aaliyah, but the clothes that I give her, it fits her very nicely. I think these are gonna be cute underneath dresses and stuff, so I got her that. And I also got her the same one that she has. She loves these, and then she told me that she wanted some more, so these are the same exact ones. These are biker shorts, and they were also $4, and it's just rainbow colors. She loves these colors, and she's like, oh my god, look mommy, look, you got me that. And I was like, yes, it's so beautiful. So I like that. We like them shorts, so cute. Also, I got her this simple little tee. Hopefully she wears this. If not, I'm gonna make her wear it, because sometimes she thinks she can just tell me no and do whatever she wants, but she's only 4, you know what I mean? And this is a short sleeve, kind of like flare out. It looks like a dress, and that's why I got it, because it's a t-shirt, flurry at the bottom, and it looks like a dress. So this is why I got it. It's gray, and it has black and purple and white hearts, and I think this was beautiful. I saw it and I thought of her. This was $7 from the same brand, Cat and Jack. Now her socks I get her socks in the little girl section. You know, they have a baby and toddler section, and then they have a girl section. She needed some socks because all the socks that I had, I gave away. I put it in a bag to give away because they were too small on her. So I automatically knew that she needed some. So I got these Hanes Premium Comfort socks. These are ankle socks, 6 pair, size small. He has big feet, so these are cute. It has different type of colors. Just very basic, just some regular socks from Hanes. Next thing I got was this skirt. This is, she loves these. So she loves skirts. Anything that's flirty and anything that's like very girly, she loves. So she does have 2 of these already. She has a pink one and the other color I forgot. It's multicolor and it's beautiful. It's gray and it has little different color dots, and this one is plain. This is basic black. It's cute. And what I like about this one is that it has shorts underneath. This is genius. So it has shorts underneath. You can pair this with a little shirt. She pairs it with her dresses sometimes. I pair it with some shirts sometimes when I force her to wear a shirt because she thinks she can do whatever she wants, if that's not the case. So this was $7 also. Cute, it's cintrines at the waist. It's very beautiful. It has a bow right here. I think it's great. And last thing I got, which I thought it was so beautiful. I wanted to get her another one, but I was like, oh my gosh, she has so many dresses that I just can't right now. This is also 5T. This is absolutely adorable. Like, come on. I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, she's gonna adore this. So this is hot pink. It has glitter, gray glitter across, and it's long sleeve, so it's perfect for like the winter and the fall season. Right now is very hot, so this is why I didn't want to buy a lot of these, because if she wants to wear it right now, she can. I mean, it's pretty hot outside still, but so that's why I didn't buy a lot of them at once, just because it's really hot right now. But this is more for like the fall and winter season. It's gray and it has black heart and pink and white, and blur out at the bottom is so beautiful. And I was like, oh my gosh, I just need to get it. I just need it. And this was $14.99. I feel like some of the dresses, it all depends what you buy, but some of the dresses can vary from prices. There was ones for $20, $22. It all depends what you buy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do this short little video. Hopefully this doesn't take me very long to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this short little video. I love filming and I love sharing with you guys the things that I got, especially when it comes to my daughter. Let me know where you shop at if you have a child. I have a toddler. She's about to be 5 this year. So let me know if you guys want me to do more toddler or kid friendly like videos. If you guys want me to share something with my daughter, or you guys want me to do an update on her, or what she eats, or what she wears, or something like that, just let me know, because I can show every single little thing that she does and wears, because she has a beautiful collection when it comes to her clothing. That's all I wanted to show you guys. And for my big announcement, you guys, today I finally published my website. So I'm so excited. I'll put it on the side so you guys can check it out, and I'll leave it down below from now on so you guys can see my website. Like, I cannot believe that I have a website now for my business. It took trial and error to like literally publish this on my own. At first I paid somebody to do a website and I never followed through with it. Like, I lost $100 because I paid somebody to do a website and I didn't know much about businesses or anything like that, and I just let it slide, let it by, and I never got a refund from the person. The lady just disappeared. Like, I was following her on Instagram and all that type of stuff. I don't know where she is now. So just be thoughtful and careful when it comes to that. Just do your research when it comes to business and stuff. But so many other things that I need to do legally. But other than that, it's been great, and I'm sold out right now. I'm shipping out the last legging today. Like, actually not today, tomorrow, because today is Sunday, so I have to ship it tomorrow. I would have never thought in a million years that I would be sold out of the items that I bought. Like, the first launch was a flop, absolutely flop, because I didn't know what I was doing at the beginning, and I was just ordering, and I didn't really like the item. I didn't test it out before I bought it. I've come a long way, so now I have items shipping my way or coming my way. They're on their way here, and I'm excited about it. So I hope you guys enjoy and like the website down below. View through it, look through it. Items will be added in there pretty soon. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I had to say. I was excited. I wanted to celebrate, but I don't want to drink because, you know, alcohol has a lot of carbs. You know what I mean? So that's all I wanted to say. I didn't want to make this video super long, but I wanted to share what I got for Aaliyah and a little bit for myself and about my website. I hope you guys are excited as much as I am. I cannot wait to add more items into my business, into my brand. I don't have anything else to say because I feel like I've talked too damn much. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Bye.